Pit. Your turn.
Pit.
Yes. Sit.
Sit.
Yes.
When your child can pull out the very first sound of a word, their brain begins mapping that sound to the letter in print. Researchers call this phoneme awareness, and it's the gateway skill for phonics. Kids who master first sound isolation move faster into blending whole words, spell more accurately, and recognize new vocabulary with far less guessing. In other words, spotting that first little sound is the key that unlocks everything that comes next in reading.